Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how a child process is work. So let's talk about child process. So what is child process? Let's say in your computer, when you open your command line, okay, I open my command line, okay. Now I want to do a fetch, okay. I want to do a fetch. So for fetching, let's say I just do a call operation. So you can see that return me a hello world. Okay. So you can do this kind of same command line all work using your child process. So I think if you search on Google or if you do any query about that child process, then you will not found any mm, easy definition. But the most easiest definition is child process is the something like a children. Okay. So that was a children of your terminal. That kind of. I don't know how much I am comfortable to explain you that or uh, how easy I explain you that. However, so let's move on. So for showing that how that is work actually, I create a normal application, Express application. So here you can see that I just initialize this kind of something, and if I take a look here, that is hello world running, and you can see I just copy that and paste in that code. Okay, I just copy that code and paste once again. So now this time if I send request once again, you can see that is here empty. Okay, so let's say I want to do a comment. I want to do a query inside that request. Okay, so I want to run a command. Okay, so for before using for using the command, we have to initialize the child process. So that is the child. Okay, if I just run here, child process is something like a knowledge's inbuilt feature. So you don't need to install anything. So here, what I have to do, I have to just run child process, then execute. Okay. So here you can write the command. Well, let's say I want to know my node version. Okay. I want to know my node version, and that give me some callback like error, then uh, is td out, that was the response, and stder, that was the response error. Okay. So what I want to see the response. Okay. Response. Okay. So that was the sd out. Okay. Std out. And if I just refresh here, and you can see response is that was the version. Okay. Let me run that same command inside my terminal. I just copy that command and paste that command here. And you can see that was give me the same thing. Okay. Well, so now let's say I want to run API query. So I have API, it is API, which is API dot instant take home manifest. Okay, this one. That one is a API, and I just do a call operation here. So before doing that call operation here, I just go on my terminal, and here I paste that, and you can see that give me a JSON. Okay, that was the response. Okay, now let me just run the same command inside my node application, and you can see the response was same. Well, so I think I understand how that is actually work. So let me show you other two things. One is error and one is SDER error. So I don't have to show anything that will be used upon your use cases. So error means that is error come from by executing that command, and SDER means one kind of that error coming after coming that response. I don't know. I'm not sure about that, but you can research about it. So that was a very basic thing, and I just record that video as I want to show you something like this kind of cool thing. And I have seen most of the uh, people or the most of the developer are not use that because uh, that command is running or taking a huge CPU. So I don't think you guys need that much time, but they have something like if you want to playing with ff which is mostly used which is run on our command line, then you have to deal with this kind of child process. So yeah, I just want to show you that, and yeah, I'm done. So that in this video, hopefully you love it, and if you also don't love it that, so I request you to watch other video, and if you watch that video till end, then like that video, do a comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you.